Yo, what's up, trendsetters? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl D, Anna Nicole, coming to you again with another hair tutorial video. So y'all, as y'all know, I am living in Houston, Texas right now. I moved from Atlanta to Houston, Texas, and I am in my new spot, which I love, and the Lord has just been blessing me exceedingly and abundantly, y'all, and I am so grateful. But I know I haven't done a hair video in a while because I'm not gonna lie, I kind of been getting situated, trying to get, you know, my apartment together and just kind of trying to get acclimated to being in Houston. And y'all, as y'all know, Houston is closest, or Texas is closest to the equator, and when I tell y'all it be hot, it's hot. So I am going to do a protective style while I am here for the summer, and I decided that I wanted to put individuals in my hair, and I always do individual knotless tutorials, but this one in particular, I actually had my hair like this before, but I never like posted pictures. Like, it was real cute. I had it in for a while, and the color wave that I had was real cute, but I never posted pictures or even recorded me doing this particular colorway. But so y'all, remember I had dyed my natural hair back black, and I think I'm gonna dye it again. I think it's been almost 3 months, so I'm praying that it turns the color that it needs to turn. So y'all, I'm gonna take the same brand I used for my natural black, because I wanted my hair back black, but now since I'm doing this braid hairstyle, y'all, I wanted a nice brown caramel color. So I went to Walmart, y'all, and got this Clear All Textures and Tones permanent hair color for a caramel brown. Now, you guys, I think I only put it on my tips last time in my last video when I did like the ombre to the black to the blonde. I'm trying to think, what color was it? The black, the brown to the blonde, and I wanted to match, and y'all, I'm just real big about matching, but I think it'll be okay to put it back on my hair. I'm really not trying to fry my hair out, so I end up buying like some intensive care shampoo from Shea Moisture. It's like for dry and brittle hair, and I want to make sure that after I'm dyeing, I'm doing the proper care to moisturize my hair. But y'all, this is a cute color. Like, I thought this was real pretty. I'm praying that it turns this color, y'all, or, you know, we gonna see what it's gonna do. Yeah, because my hair not medium brown. I wish it was, but when I'm looking at the box, y'all, I'm up here, my bad, I'm looking at the box, it's saying that since my hair is black, it might turn like a chocolate color. I don't know, but I'm praying it's like turn one of these colors down here, if you can see it. Yeah, because the color hair that I'm using is going to be like one of those colors. But I'm going to show y'all the process of how it looks. Right now it's black, and I am going to come back to y'all with the results of how my hair color turned out after 3 months. And I'm doing this video just in case you girlies out there, y'all dyed your hair, and I dyed it permanent black, and this is a permanent brown. So we're going to see how I'm really trying to, I'm going to be y'all guinea pig. So if y'all ever looking to see if you can dye your hair after 3 months of a permanent color, I'm gonna be y'all guinea pig for this. I'm gonna be the tester for this experiment or whatever like that. But I know the Lord got me. I know it's gonna come out fire like he always does. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for the rest of this video, and I'll be back after I dye it, blow dry it, and show you what color it came out to be before we begin the braiding process. Okay, trendsetters, so my hair didn't really turn that much, it still kind of look black to me on the tips, and like, I know y'all probably can't see it on the camera, but it's like lighter at my roots. So I don't know if I get a close-up, can you really see how it look at the root? I don't know if that look black to y'all or if it look brown. But I don't want to say I wasted the dye color. I thought it was going to have like a booster pack in it. I'm not even going to tell you no story. Like, I really did, but it didn't. So on the box it did say if your hair is a natural black, it's gonna be like a chocolate brown. I feel like my hair is brown a little bit, but I feel still like it looks black towards the ends. So by me being y'all guinea pig, did it work? If you had dyed your hair natural black 3 months ago and turn around and try to put a brown on top, no, it still look black to me, y'all. So it's cool. But I told myself I was gonna wait out another 3 months and do like a little touch up and see how it looks, see if it gets any lighter, or get like another box color that has like a little booster pack in it to make it brighter. But we're gonna get into the colors I'll be using today. So I'm gonna be using the number 30. This the color I was trying to hit, but it didn't work out like that, so I just feel like I just dyed it for no reason. But it's cool. That's cool. But we're gonna be using the 30s for the root color. Then we're gonna be using the rose gold for the tips, because I'm gonna do like a ombre effect, so it's gonna go from brown to pink. And then we're gonna do some highlights of the 613, which will make it like a little funky look to make it real cute or whatever, make it stand out. So I'm gonna have these 3 different colors in my hair. And yeah, so I am going to go ahead and start on my hair, and when I get like midway or something or towards the top, I'm gonna come back and record and show y'all how I'm doing it. Like I said, I have 1,000,001 videos of me doing knotless braids on myself. Personally, like I said, I came to Houston. I'm going to build up my clientele when I get here. So why not pop it off with me? As I say, and if you are in the Houston, Texas area, 77004, I'm willing to do your hair or travel to you to like give me a suite, y'all. So that's the goal, to give me a suite out here. But as right now, I can't come to you. I provide the hair. You can check out my link below to book me on my site if you stay in the Houston, Texas area. And yeah, we're gonna get into this video towards the end of me doing my hair descents, and that might be all night. I ain't gonna lie, it's probably almost 6 o'clock or 7. But I'm finna do it though. We finna do this. Yeah. So I will catch y'all in a minute. Okay, so this is next day. And I am going to show you all how to put in your knotless braid. And I know I said I was gonna come to y'all like I said towards the end, so this is literally the end. And let me show you how to feed in your knotless braid, and also how to add hair if you want to extend it. I did these braids kind of long, so it took me a while. So first you want to use I use this particular brand, which is called Lock and Braid Gel, and I love this brand because it actually, for me, my hair is kind of thick, so it holds it down and makes it real sleek, and it doesn't puff up for a while. So you just kind of going to put that on the perimeter of your roots, and I said perimeter, put it all over your root, y'all. So I put it on all sides since I have box parting. And then I'm looking in the mirror too, so I can make sure I am doing it the right way. You're going to separate it into 3 pieces. So now this is when you start feeding in your hair. You're going to make sure you feed your hair between your index finger and your thumb. So your pointer finger and your thumb. So I'm going to start off with this color, and I'm going to take it and put it in between my pointer finger and my thumb. And make sure you got a good grip on it, and bring it around. Start braiding like you do an individual braid. And then you're just going to keep adding. So I add towards the root to kind of make it, the base, a little strong, so it's not real skinny. Because you know how y'all see them real skinny bases and it goes fat. I usually do it the same way all throughout. So then boom, do it again, and I'm gonna add like 4 pieces because it's at my edge, so I don't want my braid to be too heavy. And continue to do that again, and I'm gonna do it one more time, y'all. All right, so once you got that in there, now you want to start braiding it down. And my pieces are pretty decent size. Yeah, so I'll keep that out there. And you want to braid it down. So while you're braiding it down, you want to use your jam. Oh, I ain't had none of my watch. So you kind of want to use your jam and slick it down. Use some more jam, slick it down, kind of make it, you know, conceal within the synthetic hair. And I hope I'm making sense, you know. And you're just gonna continue to braid this down all the way. Just keep slicking and braiding, slicking and braiding. That's the key. And then after you do that, y'all, I braid it to like a certain point. So I kind of braided to once I kind of was doing all my braids like this, kind of seeing where I wanted to braid it to before I add more hair to extend the braid. So I kind of come all the way down, and I come down to like almost to where this S is in my shirt. So I'm coming down, and then I'm going to feed in the other color hair that I had. So the other color I had, I kind of get it like right here. I feed in the 613 hair. So boom, I feed in the first piece, same way, between your point and your thumb. Braid, boom, I stop it right there. I turn it once, then I bring it another 613 piece, pointer my thumb, braid down. And just to make it a little bit more, you can keep 2 pieces if that's what you want, because you know, like I said, this is your edge kind of on the lighter. But I want to add the 3rd piece, like this. And you can add as many pieces you want. I just say make sure try to keep it going with the flow of the braid, so you don't make the pieces too fat, because you gotta, it's gonna be skinny at the top and then it's gonna be fat at the bottom, and we don't want that. So I try to have the same type consistency throughout my braid, y'all. And yeah, and then you just gonna keep braiding down. And if it's long, I kind of like, once I get to a point where like, all right, I can't, it's getting kind of long for me, I'll go like this. And keep braiding. So I hope that helps, and I will show y'all the end results when I finish. Okay, so this is the final look of the hair that I have, as y'all can see. And it's kind of long. And I call this hairstyle for me Napoleon, because it reminds me of Napoleon ice cream. And I don't know, I rock with it. I think it's different. I think it's funky, you know. And pretty much the total time for it, sorry y'all, the total time it took me to do this hairstyle, it took like, I'm not gonna lie, it probably took like 12 hours. I split it up into like 2 different days. So I probably started on my hair at 8 o'clock, maybe, no, 7 o'clock. And then I probably stopped at 3. Then I turned around and got back up at 7:30 and finished like at 11:30. So I was kind of tired, but once I got it done, I was happy with the results. My hairstyle is super lightweight. When I tell y'all can twist this up, see how I twist it up real quick, put it in the bun. It's definitely not heavy on my neck at all. So yeah, if you are looking for a stylist in the Houston area and you want custom everything, you want a custom color or whatever you want, boho, whatever, I got you, y'all. I'm looking for a suite right now, but until then, if you want me to come to you, I can definitely do that. So make sure y'all check out, you know, a couple of my pictures, my Instagram, book me on Style Seat below. You can check it out in the description. Click on the link and just book it. And yeah, y'all, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's not too long of a video, because I have other videos showing me, giving you like step by step of how I feed in my knotless braids. This was just something real quick, and I hope y'all enjoy it. I just wanted to bring it to y'all due to the fact of the color way that I decided to do. And I want y'all to know that you can rock whatever if you have the confidence, and don't let nobody tell you what you can and cannot do. You can inspire the world if you want to, y'all. So I want to tell you that I love you, and I will talk to y'all the next time. See you.